ingredients. So we're making a juice. So we have banana, cut banana, orange, vanilla, and 1/4 cup of sprite, blueberries, and this one is fresh juice, orange juice, guys. So let's do it. Then I add a bit drops of vanilla. Then we add some ice cubes. Wow, nice, guys. This is now the mixed fruit juice, guys. So let's give it a try. So here's now the juice, guys. So let's give it a try. Wow, wow, really nice, guys. Uh, yes, I write down under the description box below the ingredients I used to make this juice, guys. Wow, really, give thumbs up, guys. Yummy. It's refreshing, the juice I make, guys. Because so hot the weather here in my place. And so nutritious also, healthy, nutritious, and yeah, I can say organic juice.